Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by tapping on clock. Now choose alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. After that, set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now you can manage vibrations by clicking on this switcher here and click on label. After that, label your alarm however you want to. Click on OK and tap on ringtone. Now you can select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also select add new over here, pick music from your smartphone, set it up and go back as well. I will go with one of those though, so I have to click on it, go back and save my alarm by choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, just hold it, click on it and choose the delete icon over here. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by choosing those three dots at the top right corner, tapping on settings and adjusting all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!